Hey everyone, look at me. I'm speaking to you in English right now. But some months ago, I couldn't speak English without sweating, without fear. Today, I want to share my full story, not the perfect story, but the real one. I will tell you how I went from zero to confident. And I will give you the exact step I used. If you feel scared of English, this video for you. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and my name is Anamika, and let's dive into my journey, my life before English. I come from a background where English was not common. In school, I only studied English as a subject to pass exams. I know grammar rules like subject plus verb plus object, but I couldn't speak a single sentences. So, and the embarrassing moment for me, I remember once a tourist asked me for directions and my heart started beating so fast and I know the answer in my head, in my mind, but my tongue was frozen. I just said no English and ran away. I felt so ashamed, and that was day I decided I must learn this language. And the first thing I did wasn't buy a book, and I was changing my mind. I told myself English is a tool, not a status symbol. It's okay to make mistakes, and if you say he go instead of he goes, so the world will not end. People will still understand you. My first step to you, stop trying to be perfect, and perfection is a enemy of learning. So if you want to learn English, so creating environment. Since I don't live in English speaking country, so here is how I changed my English journey. First, I changed my phone setting to English. Every time I looked at my phone, I saw English words like setting, gallery, and notification, and kind of words. And the most important is self talk. I started narrating my life while cooking. I would say, now I am cutting the onion and now I am putting in the pan. And it sounds funny, but it's train your brain to think in English. And second is the subtitles, the subtitle secret. I watched movie with English subtitles. I would listen a sentence and pause the video and repeat it out loud, and did this for 30 minutes every day. And third is how to practice alone. Many people say I have no one talk to, neither did. So I used to mirror technique. Stand in the front of the mirror for 5 minutes and look at yourself and talk about your day, talk about your dreams, and when you look at on your eyes, your confidence grows. And using technology, I started using free apps, even AI tools for practice. I would record my voice and on my phone listen to it and try to correct my own pronunciation. And the most important tips for the beginner, first is listen and listen. Spend more time listening than reading. That is how babies learn language. And tip 2, learn phrases, not words. Don't just learn the word like decisions, and learn the phrase make a decisions. It's easier to use in a sentence. Third is be consistent. 15 minutes every day is better than 5 hours on a Sunday on a day. Tip 4. Read kids book. Don't start a newspaper. It's too hard. And read stories for 10 years old and kids book. Tip number 5. Record yourself. Track your progress and listen to your old recordings to see how much you improved. Now let's talk about the monster in the room. Grammar. Many people ask me, do I need to learn all the tenses before I speak? My answer is no. When I started, I didn't focus on complicated grammar rules. And if you spend all your time thinking about prepositions or conjunctions, you will never open your mouth to speak. Think about it. Did you learn the grammar of your mother tongue before you started speaking as a child? No. You listen, you copy, and then you spoke. So, my grammar rules for beginner: learn the present, past, and future tense only. Don't worry about perfect conjunctions, passive voice for in the beginning. Just listen how to say I go, I went, I will go. Once you can say 3 things clearly, 70% of your daily English is already covered. And we live in a great time because we have a teacher in our pocket, our smartphone. I didn't have expensive teachers, but I had free apps. You can use any free app for practice English. And YouTube is a gold mine. I didn't just watch English lessons. I watched things like cooking, gaming, news, and movies, and some others entertainment videos. But I watched then English and English subtitles. And if you like a movie, if you like cricket, watch with subtitles and in English. And if you want to learn English, so you have a good and very effective things, your smartphone. So listen, learning English didn't change my brain, it changed my life. It gave me confidence and new opportunities. If I can do it starting from zero, so you can do it too. Please write one sentence in English in the comment below. Tell me why you want to learn English. I will try to reply to everyone. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, keep practicing. And I will see you in the next video. Bye bye. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.